Today we're going to be looking at this 9-gallon DeWalt Shop-Vac. This is a DXV09P Shop-Vac. That's the model number on it. It's a really good Shop-Vac, and it's also a really good vacuum cleaner, which is what we bought this one for. Most of vacuum cleaners are $300, or they're just kind of garbage that can't really suck anything up. They don't really have the suction that a Shop-Vac has. Well, one of the big issues with the Shop-Vac versus a vacuum cleaner is just mobility in general, trying to move the unit around. Well, with this unit, it has really nice caster wheels, and we don't really have issues rolling around on the carpet, which was something we were kind of worried about. Our other Shop-Vac doesn't have its wheels attached anymore. These secure with screws at the bottom, so these wheels are not going to come off, which is super awesome. This unit actually came with these two extensions that end up creating an arm that's long enough that you can stand and you can actually vacuum with the vacuum cleaner. That's super handy, and past that we got these different attachments. We use this one all the time for cleaning the truck, so it vacuums our house and it also can go outside and vacuum the truck, which is something that would be very hard with a conventional vacuum cleaner. So that's another reason that we chose to use a Shop-Vac as a vacuum cleaner. So with that, you also get some other attachments. This one gets in really tight places, which is super nice. Then you've got these little guys. We've used these for cleaning out the HVAC drain line. It was super handy for that. You could just stick it in the PVC pipe and pull out all the goop. So that's another good thing that a Shop-Vac can do. Well, if you are going to be pulling out goop or messing with grime and really doing anything that's wet, so Shop-Vac's actually a brand name, and this is technically a wet-dry vac. So when you originally buy the unit, you're going to get a filter and vacuum bag. So once you open it up, you'll see that there's actually a filter here that's on the bottom that's just attached that you can pull off. So the first thing you'll do is you'll put on this filter and you'll put the bag inside, and that'll let you vacuum your floors and stuff. But if you're doing something grimy, you don't want to have the bag inside of the unit. And you can also take off the filter, but that depends on what you're actually vacuuming up if you want to take the filter. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and demonstrate how well this works as a vacuum cleaner. Obviously, as you can see, my floor is pretty dirty, so I'm going to go ahead and hit that with the vacuum real quick, and we'll watch the cleaning power of this thing. Obviously, my floor has more cleaning to be done, but that just kind of shows that, you know, it's really great as far as a vacuum cleaner goes, and you also have the benefit of it being a wet-dry vac. So yeah, that about sums it up. I really just wanted to point out that this DXV09P Shop-Vac is super handy, and as far as Shop-Vac purposes go, this has definitely outperformed the older Shop-Vac that we have for regular Shop-Vac duties, and it's been a great vacuum cleaner too. So if you found this review helpful, if you could please subscribe, it would really help the channel out. But yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next one.